Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about a brand new Volvo XC40 that we've upgraded with front parking sensors that are fully automatic. If you are new to our channel and haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got that massive competition live on our channel right now. Make sure you go check it out. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 as well as an Audison Prima amplifier, so you guys can actually upgrade the sound in your vehicle. However, let's get on with today's video. This customer is coming to us looking for a solution, and that's exactly what we delivered, a really smart looking solution that gives him exactly what he's after. In terms of what we've added on, it's front parking sensors. This is our what's called Pro Fit solution. So we've got a 17mm sensor. There's 4 sensors that run along the front of the vehicle. Along these sensors, so there's 17mm hole, completely flush fit. The way we actually managed to get them look so discreet is actually by removing the bumper completely, mounting the sensors from behind, and they're also completely color coded to the vehicle, so they blend in seamlessly. Plus they obviously work completely automatically as well. So as you are approaching any obstacle at a low speed, I think it turns on below around about 6 miles an hour. As soon as you approach anything below that speed, what happens is those sensors automatically turn on in the background, and then they beep at you and they go to a constant tone as you get very close. So giving you the ability for parking up really tight to stuff, and just that added bit of functionality when you're actually parking the vehicle. They are just an audible tone sensor, so they do just beep at you. There's no visual display. However, cosmetically from the outside of the vehicle, incredibly discreet, as well as inside there is nothing on display. The 4 sensors, one sits just above the fog light here, then we've got one lower down. On these spec vehicles, when they're not spec with factory fitted sensors, they come with a blanking point here. However, these are too low for our sensors to work into as a Pro Fit solution, so they get moved up slightly. However, still a very discreet solution because they are color coded, plus they're fully automatic. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video, guys. Remember, we've got that awesome competition live on our channel as well, giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 and Audison Prima amplifier. But thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in something like this, you know exactly what to do. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. I'm more than happy to go through everything with you in a load more detail. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.